Hello students, in this lecture we are going to see about the introduction to robots. First we see what is a robot. There are varieties of definition available for robot, but the modern definition of a robot, it is an electro-mechanical device which allows a set of instructions to carry out certain jobs. But usually we call robot as the meaning of robot as a slave. It has a wide application in industries, and mostly it is called as a industrial robots nowadays. It is also used by humans in various fields. It's a multitask machine programmable by a computer capable of carrying out a complex series of actions automatically. Right? Robots are guided by external devices or the programs which are embedded within, or even by our handshake we can even control the robots. So finally we can call robot as a reprogrammable multifunctional manipulator designed to perform various automated tasks. The type of robots which we see every day are working in an environment where it is too dangerous, boring for a repeated work by humans, or just plain work which we do every day. So the robots are used in the automobile fields. As you know, it's used in the mostly today medical fields, even in operations, and other things are also done by the robots. Manufacturing, most of the application of robots are manufacturing. Automated industries are mostly done using robots. Space industries, millions of robots today is working for us, and it is rising in numbers. And regarding the history of robots, and it started in 1954 by American engineer DeWalt, called as a Unimate, an electronic controlled hydraulic heavy lifting arm. As you can see from the picture, it was the first one. And more advanced level of computers are done by MIT in 1960s and 70s, and even Stanford University, where they are used cameras inbuilt into a robot even in 1970s. Puma was an advanced robot in 1978, and it is used for assembling the dash and lights. In 1980s, AGV, automated guided vehicles, are acquiring microprocessor controllers, and that allows more complex behavior. A microprocessor is nothing but it's a mini computer where it can control the operate the controllers automatically. In 1990s, AGV is equipped with laser triangulation by measuring deflection, so that it will know its position, and based on its position it's moving. That is the advanced methodology inputted into the robot. As everybody knows, the labor problem in Europe has led to so many robotics, and the Western countries are labor shortage area, so they are employing more and more robots into that. In 2020, it's a universal robot. It's everywhere. It's robot, and in 2030, even it is going to replace the work done by the humans in all the fields. You can expect advanced also. It has following features: sensing robots, which gives sensors, light sensor, touch sensor, pressure sensor, chemical sensor, hearing. As like a human, we are having a sensor. Eye is a sensor. Okay, eye is a sensor of a human which can see. And even if something is burning, you can feel the heat. It's a sensing of our skin. Okay, like that. Hearing, the things are sensors inbuilt in our human body. Like that, robot is also need external sensors to get the data or input. A robot can move as like a human. We can walk or we can roll. They are movement. We need to give them a movement by using a legs or a wheels. For all these things, it needs a energy. A robot needs a energy, either maybe from a solar power or electrically powered or a pneumatic or hydraulic power. And finally, the advanced robot is a intelligent robot. Some kind of intelligence to take decision on its own. If it takes decision on its own, it's intelligent. And today, artificial intelligence plays a vital role in all the industries. So robots are there. So in a robotics subject, what we are going to study for this whole semester, a system that contains sensors, control systems, manipulator, power supplies and software all working together perform a task. How the robots are going to be built. Designing, building, testing a robot, physically, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, structural engineering, mathematics, everything is going to are there in the computer, are there in the robots. So we need to input these data into this. Mostly today robots are used in medical field also. It involves biology and chemistry. They are doing the testing and other things automatically. It needs a knowledge of biology and chemistry. Okay, so robotics is the engineering discipline dealing with the design, construction, operation of robots. Thank you.